What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
2006 Chevy Colorado with the Grinch. Got custom paint, custom wheels, really nice truck. Got a nice lift kit on it. Got factory converter there on top, secondary converter there. Then he wanted some sound out of it, so we straight piped it. White pipe duals out the back, on each side there and there. And then we put some 4-inch roll tips out the back to finish the look. As you can see right there, looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. He is a United States Marine Corps and veteran, Vietnam veteran, so we really appreciate his service. And everything all our veterans do. Always thank a veteran, guys, when you can. This is where the old muffler was. And tailpipe that was on at the factory that we took off and replaced with duals. So, like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh, yeah, baby. Look at him, Dad. Do that again. Yeah! Again? That sounds good. Your sound decibels? 107. Again? Go ahead and back it up. Look at that. It's got custom paint. Really good looking truck. I like it. Got a nice bop to it. The smallest we got is large. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Colorado. Perfect. Enjoy, guys.